What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennium Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to go back and look at past month's dividends. So we're going to look at all the dividends that I received in my dividend portfolio from the month of November. It is now December 1st. I can't believe it. Where has this year gone? But a new month means a new dividend update. So enough talk. Let's get started. Before we hop right into the video, guys, if you guys can, just please make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It really does help out the channel, and I really do appreciate it. Also, if you want to consider subscribing to the channel, on this channel we talk about dividend stocks, investing, swing trading, day trading, everything that has to do with investing you can find right on this channel. So make sure you join the family and click that subscribe button. But now, let's get right to the dividends that I received in the month of November. Alright, so kicking it off right away, on November 1st, we received a dividend from AT&T. We received $42.90 for holding 82.5 shares of AT&T. We received 52 cents per share. And we reinvested that money to buy a whole another share and a half of AT&T. This one keeps going down, but I am still confident in the long term of this company. I will keep reinvesting those dividends. I am holding off right now on putting any more money into the company of my own, but I will keep reinvesting these dividends and throwing it right into the company. I am still confident that they will increase their shareholder value in the long term, even with this spin-off company they are having. I do think that the shareholder value will increase in the long term. So that was the first dividend that I received on November 1st from AT&T, $42.90. So not bad to start off the month. Next, on November 12th, we received two dividends. One from EPD, which is Enterprise Products. We received $20.25 for holding 45 shares. We received 45 cents per share, and that got reinvested to by about 0.8 of a share at $23.35. Now, this one has taken a hit recently, but I do think it is sitting at a pretty decent value right now. If you are looking to get into this company, now may be the time. I will not be adding any more of my own money into this position, but I will keep reinvesting the dividends that it gives me into the company. And unless some major changes happen in the company, I will not be adding more or selling this position at any point in the near future. So next, on November 12th, we also received a dividend from Apple. Ticker symbol is AAPL. So I received 22 cents per share for holding 3 shares of Apple. So it's for a total of 66 cents. This one, I did not have my drip turned on, so this one did not get reinvested into the company. It is only 66 cents. I have bought more Apple since, and I do plan on buying more Apple every single month. I think this one is one I want to just keep adding to the portfolio and just build up on the amount of shares in Apple no matter what the price is. Recently, this one has been holding my portfolio up because the rest of the market is kicking my butt and tanking. So I am holding this one. This one has great value, and I still see future value in this one, and I do think that they will continue to grow their dividends throughout the years on years on years, and this will be a dividend beast in the future. So I will hold Apple, and I will continue to buy and hold more shares of Apple. So next, on November 15th, we got paid twice by two different companies. The first one was AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. I received $16.94 for holding 13.033 shares of AbbVie for a total of $1.30 per share. And that got reinvested into AbbVie to get me 0.14 shares at a total of $116.61. AbbVie has been one of my best positions so far in the portfolio, and I will continue to add AbbVie if it does dip a little bit more. I like AbbVie for the long term. They do have a growing dividend, and I really enjoy investing in them. I will continue to reinvest the dividends and hopefully add more to the position as the price comes down. There are so many things on sale right now, and I want to add to my portfolio so much, but I'm trying to hold off and really add to the positions that I am already holding rather than starting a new position in any other company, because I do want to build my core holdings. But there are so many things on discount right now, I may not be able to do that. I may have to add to other things. But I will, of course, let you guys know in the next stock portfolio update. But on also November 15th, we received a dividend from Realty Income. We received $10.47 for holding 44.35 shares of Realty Income. We received 0.236 cents per share. This one is another one of my favorite companies. They are just a dividend beast. I will keep investing in them. Now I think I'm holding over 50 shares. So I do love this company. I did reinvest this dividend to gain 1.14 shares of Realty Income at $71.28. Now this one has since come down to below $70, and I think it is an extreme buy. I really want to put more into this company, but it is a very large holding in my portfolio, which we will see when we go to my dividend spreadsheet. But I think definitely if you want to get into this company to get that nice monthly dividend, then right now is a good time to add it. So that was it kind of for my dividends of November. Now I did receive a QYLD dividend, which will be today. I will receive it. But I think it was for the month of November, so I'm going to include it for the month of November since I did not get one from them in the month of November. I'm hoping to get a second one in December from them, so I will be including this one in the month of November. So I received $24.08 for holding 107.2 shares for a total of 22 cents per share. Now QYLD is a nice dividend payer, and they are looking to be buying on the dip right now. So I have added more to my position here, and I will let you guys know in the next dividend how many shares I've added to here. Just because I do have some of it on margin right now, so I want to keep that on margin and make sure that the price doesn't go too low, so I don't lose some of my money on margin and have to pay it back. So I am being very cautious with this position, but I do like that monthly dividend, and it does get reinvested back into the portfolio. So this one will be able to buy me a whole nother share. So I'm looking at buying, I'll be able to buy next month. I think I'll be able to buy at least 1.5 shares of QYLD every single month, and it will just keep growing and growing. So I'm very excited about this position. This is compound interest at its work, and I think if you're looking for an alternative to a savings account, this one can be it. It doesn't move as much as other ETFs, but the dividend is really nice. So you won't see that growth, but that dividend is really nice. You get it monthly, and it is good interest to earn on your money rather than keeping it in a savings account where inflation is just going to eat it away. But that is all we had for our dividends for the month of November. We're going to hop over to the spreadsheet now and see exactly how much I gained. So I have been working on this spreadsheet for a bit, and I'm still working on it. I will make it available to you guys if you guys want it. Let me know down in the comments below. I will make it available to you guys for free, of course, but I am still working on it. So let's hop over there and go check that out. So on this first page here, we have the total dividends that I've received for the whole year so far. And this is 2021, of course. So I didn't start doing dividend investing until June of 2021. And as you can see, in June, I only received $2.82 in dividends. In July, that jumped up to $36.25. In August, that jumped to $37.19. In September, it dropped down a little bit to $33.32. And in October, it jumped huge to $145.20. Now in November, it was a total of $115.34. So not a monthly dividend record for me. But we should start seeing that consistent growth over the next few months as I keep adding to the portfolio here. So I have my total passive income right now for the year. This is including dividends and interest on my high yield savings account, which I could make a video on you guys if you guys want it. I do treat it as a high yield savings account. It is not really a savings account, but I do treat it that way. So my total income right now, passive income for the year, 365 days, is $1,802. So this is the first page of the spreadsheet that I am working on. We got this nice little graph here. Next, we are going to go to dividends per company, and this is total dividends that I have received for each company since I started. So we have AbbVie, total dividends of $20.84. We have Realty Income, total dividends of $35.57. We have Intel, total dividends of $5.56, which will increase because I am receiving a dividend from them today, actually, but it is for the month of December, so it won't be included in November's dividend totals. AT&T, total dividends received $56.94. Valet, total dividends received $78.34. EPD, total $20.25. QYLD, total $43.59. Apple, total 66 cents. And Lockheed Martin, so far $0. So we have this nice little graph here as well, just showing which companies are paying me the highest dividends. So as right now, Valet has topped it. Second is AT&T, and third is QYLD. So next, I have my monthly payers, which is QYLD and Realty Income at the moment. And we just go for each month what they each pay me. So in QYLD in July, I got paid $11.15. I just want to see this consistent growth here. That is what I'm looking for. Then in August, I got $11.55. October, $20.89. And November, $24.08. So we are seeing this consistent growth here. And I just want to show that in a graph just for my monthly payers. You guys don't need to add this if you don't want it or if you don't have monthly payers. This is just something for me to look at that I think is worth looking at and I enjoy. Next, we have Realty Income. So it's starting in June at $2.82. Then jumped to July was $3.54. August, $4.50. September, $4.51. October, $9.73. And November, $10.47. So we are seeing that consistent growth, and we are going to be looking for this one to continue to grow in the coming months. Obviously, I want it to grow each and every month. And the last page we have so far is the portfolio diversity. So right now, total, I have 14.6% of my portfolio in QYLD. I have 14.6% of my total in AT&T. We have 6% in Enterprise, which is EPD. 5.7% in Apple. 16.3% in Intel. 8.1% in Valet. 2% in Lockheed Martin. 11.9% in AbbVie. And 20.9% in Realty Income. So obviously I need to work on a few places here. I definitely want to increase my position in Lockheed Martin and definitely in Apple. I think Valet, AT&T, and QYLD, and Intel for that matter, will stay where it is at the moment. I have been taking a hit on all of these companies, but I think right now they will stay there, and I want to build some of the other positions up, maybe even add some new positions to the portfolio. But that is pretty much the spreadsheet, guys. If you guys did enjoy that and you guys do want to have access to this, just let me know down in the comments below. It will be free, of course, and I'm still working on it, so make sure you guys let me know down in the comments. I appreciate you all for watching. If you guys did enjoy it or took anything from this video, please make sure you smash that like button. It really does help me out. Also, check the description for any links to free stuff. It does support the channel, and you get some free stuff, so it's a win-win. Consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy talking about dividend investing. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!